I'm going to show you how you get these fabulous roll towels, spotlight, to put in your baskets. Hello and welcome back to Home and Style with Joy. I am your host, Joy, and you may notice that I am in an unusually chill room today, and that is because I am celebrating my 1-year anniversary here on YouTube, and I just wanted to chit chat with you guys and let you know a little bit more about me and how my year has been going on YouTube. I actually started one of my first videos in this very room, and I've made a lot of updates to this room that I'll share with you later. I also have a mini haul, and I will answer some of the questions that I was asked in the last video. So if this is something that you'd be interested in, please share with a friend. Bring them in on this. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Okay, welcome back. Thank you for sticking around. If you have been on my channel, you know that I do hauls, and not only do I do hauls, I actually style them most of the time in the video. That's just something I like to do. I don't want to just see the item. I want you to see how I style it. So I picked up these gorgeous pillows for this room. Also, one of the reasons why I'm doing this video in this room. By the way, if you haven't seen the previous video styling of this room, it was done last year, but you can catch up on how it was then to now, and that is the how to style an open space video, and I will post it or paste it up at the top so you can click on it. But this I got from Home Sense. I know I normally go to Home Goods, but I went to Home Sense. It's like the bigger version of Home Goods. And I got this pillow. It was $80, $79.99. And I am going to place them on my sofa. Now, this pillow came with my sofa, so whoop, we're going to pop that one out. I don't like it anyway. We're going to pop those tags. And I'm going to place it right here. Okay. And I got 2 of them. They also have the lumbar version, but I didn't want to take it there. Toss that one out. Don't worry, I clean it up later. And I think one thing I want to say when I am styling, I do play around with things. Sometimes I look at it, I take a step back, I say, nah, let's switch it around. That I like. Okay, now I'm going to get back comfy with you all and talk a little bit about why I started my channel. And basically, I started my channel for marketing purposes. I knew I needed to market my brand. I am an interior designer. I started out as a realtor. And with any business that you have to market it. And what a better way to market than YouTube, to actually show what you do and get involved with your following, with the people that are like you, that have interest in what you do as a business, as a designer, as anything. Even if you're a store owner, fashion design, why do you get on YouTube? To market your products, right? So that's why I got on YouTube. But I also have a very, very big passion for interior design. And I love showing the process. It is not just fancy, everything glamorous. If you look at my videos, I actually show my struggles. I don't really edit out anything. If I mess up, most of the time I leave it in there. If I'm struggling trying to pull a chair, the rugs, I mean, you name it, whatever, I want you to see, you know, the real deal. So I love sharing that, and it has been a great marketing tool for my business as well. So the first thing I want to say about my first year on YouTube and what I've learned is YouTube is hard. period. YouTube is hard. It is time consuming. If you want to put out a quality video that is going to make people watch and not just skip past your video, you've got to put a lot of planning into that. And with that being said, I definitely think that you should give kudos and support to anyone that you are subscribed to on YouTube, because it takes a lot of effort to even get in front of a camera and make a quality video. I don't care what industry you are in, you know, what your genre or your niche is. It's hard, it's time consuming, and it takes a lot of effort. So just support those who are out there that you do enjoy watching. That is one of the things that I wanted to let you know, but I don't want to discourage anyone. If you want to get out there and put yourself out there, by all means do it. It is so rewarding. I see the comments from you guys. I am so blessed to have you have watched me, have given me any moment of your time. If you have, I really, truly thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Woo. Okay, so moving on, because I don't want to get emotional, but again, thank you all dearly. So a lot of you in my last video were asking where the vase came from that was on my counter. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it above. It is the bathroom update. And if you haven't seen it, go ahead and watch it. You are going to love it. It's going to add a lot of value to your bathroom, to your home. So this vase is from Z Gallery. It was $99 and I have 2 of them. I have 2 of them because in the fall, I am going to do something with both of them. I'm going to take that one out of my bathroom, and I have something that I'm going to do with them for the holiday season. So that's that. And then I wanted to share with you all these glasses. Gorgeous. You may have seen these in Z Gallery, but these are from Home Goods for $4.99. The other thing that everyone wanted to see was how I folded the towels. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can go from this plain towel to this spa rolled towel. Okay, so you're going to have your towel out, and you're going to take one end, and you're going to fold it into a triangle. And with the other end, you're just going to fold that to those corners meet, right? See how it is? Then you're going to grab it here and you're going to flip it over. And then you're going to take this end and you're going to start rolling. As I go to make sure it's nice and tight. And once you get to the end here, you are going to take it and tuck it into a few of the rolled layers. Like so. And there you have your rolled towel, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to go over that one more time just to make sure you have it. Take this in, the right end, and make a triangle like so. Okay. Now I'm going to take this end of the triangle and this side of the towel. I'm going to take this end of the triangle, of the towel, and fold it down. Okay, then I'm going to match up the corners. So now I have a match. And I'm going to flip it over. And then I'm going to roll it. to take a couple of layers and I'm going to tuck that corner in. And boom, you have a nice rolled towel. See that? And then you can put it in your basket. And the last thing I want to talk about is how to get in contact with me. If you have a design inquiry or you want a quote for something I've posted, the best and fastest way to do that, to get in touch with me, is via email. And my email address is homeandstyle@joyclary.com. And I will get back to you as soon as possible. And that is all I have for today, guys. I have been blessed that you all have been with me thus far, and there is so much more to come. Soon I'll be introducing memberships where you'll get a little more intimate. You get one-on-one and membership perks, and just a slew of things that YouTube has to offer us. So until next time, bye-bye.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in